We're here at a parking garage in downtown Buffalo. Got some glass elevators to ride. I got this one, the one we came down on when we first got here.
4, I think.
Can I take it right up to the roof? And then down to 4? Watch out the window going up. That's Main Place Tower and the Main Place Mall across the street. These are fast. Got a pretty nice view up the top.
Go ahead.
You can see City Hall right there. All right, going to 4. Watch the floors going down.
Yes, sir.
These aren't anything too special. Here we are at 4. It's your Innovation Bruiser fixtures.
Floor.
Here goes the elevator, and that's it.